Hello! Welcome to creating a simple calculator in Swift. So, I think we are on time. It's 22 o'clock my time, so I think 2 p.m. EST, I guess. To introduce myself, I'm Daniel. I'm streaming from Hamburg in Germany, and today we're gonna start our project. I think the current curriculum may not be possible because I think that we have to split session 2 in actually to be 2 separate sessions, but more on that later. The slides, I will do a little presentation up front in front of every streaming to give you the basic idea what we're going to do and give you some overarching and overall concepts so that you find your way better around when we are in Xcode. The slides are available for download. Currently there's only the slides for this session, but I'll upload the slides for the next session and the program we will create together today after this stream, and so you have it on your machine as well. It would be good if you have Xcode 9 or 8 already installed on your machine, so if you want to follow along. Otherwise you can look the video later or follow on your own memory, do everything yourself later on if you like to. What else? Something I want to say. I don't know, maybe we just get started. One more thing. I'm using Xcode 9, so a couple of things that we're going to talk about today are new in Xcode 9. I will point these out explicitly, so you know if you use Xcode 8 still what these points are. Okay. Session number 1, defining the user interface. We are going to do a little bit talking about what are views and auto layout. After that we will create a new Xcode project, and then we will dive into creating our UI for the simple calculator. If there are questions, please feel free to ask. When I look over there, it's because I look at the chat window to check if there are any questions. Don't